G'day folks, today in this video we're going to take a closer look at the Smatree 10,000 milliamp power bank and GoPro charger. So this thing has been out on the market now for a few months, and it's kind of an interesting product. It's fairly unique in the fact that it is a power bank, but it also charges GoPro batteries directly via this little port here. So with this power bank you can plug in two Hero 5 or Hero 6 batteries. They just plug in directly like that. And that's kind of interesting because, you know, if you're a hiker or a camper, you know that bringing power with you is sometimes essential. Sometimes you're off the grid and you have no way to charge up your devices. Having a power bank like this is handy because you can charge traditional devices via the USB port out on this side and directly charge your GoPro batteries on that side. So, you know, a device like this, 10,000 milliamps is a decent amount. Yeah, you can keep all your devices charged. Now, one thing I'm not loving about it, and it's more of a cosmetic thing, is that it has this shiny surface, and as you can see, it gets fingerprinted very easily. I'm constantly polishing it up, but you know, that's just a cosmetic thing. It would have been nice if they had gone more with the brushed kind of finish. Now, to operate, it's a little bit different than most power banks. Most power banks, when you just plug a device in, it just starts charging. With this one, there's actually a power button. And that way, if you do have your batteries in there, you know, you can just kind of store them in there. They're not going to be charging if you don't need them to. So just a quick little demonstration here. You just kind of slide down on this door and it pops right open. And you line up your batteries. Just like so. So once the batteries are in, we just shut the door. Now this is one problem that I've had, that once the batteries are in there, it is a bit of a tight squeeze to get this door closed. But it just pops closed like that. So now we have two LED lights, one on each side for each battery. And so to start charging, we're just going to hit the power button one time. This is the power indicator here, and as you can see, or maybe you can't see because of the bright lights, but I have 2 bars left, so that means this power bank is only half charged. But it's still enough to charge the GoPro batteries. And as you can see, we have 2 LED lights here, and once the batteries are charged, they will go green. If you want to power the unit off at any time, you do 2 quick presses, and that'll shut it off, and that'll stop the charging as well. So the other nice thing, it will charge your other devices as well. So if you're on a hiking trip and you bring this to charge up your GoPros, you can top off your phone too, just by plugging it into the regular USB port there. Again, you got to power it on, hitting the button once. And you can see that's now charging. And the GoPros are charging, so you can charge everything all at once. So 10,000 milliamps, you know, basically you can charge your GoPro about 7 to 8 times. As for a phone, depending on how big your battery is, depending what phone you have, you know, you could charge it probably 2 to 3 times. So when you get this and you open the box up, you get the unit itself, you get a charging cable. Now this cable is just to charge the unit up by that port right there. And you also get a little information booklet kind of showing you how to use it and some information about it. So yeah, folks, that's basically it for this. What I really like about it, I've been using it for a couple months, is that when I go hiking and I bring a backpack, I have one device to bring. Before, I was bringing, you know, different GoPro chargers and, you know, power banks, sometimes 2 power banks. But here I can bring one power bank, and it's not too big, and it fits in the side of a backpack or in a pocket very easily. And, you know, you just have the one device. You don't have to bring a separate GoPro charger. And this will come in handy, too, if you have a GoPro Fusion as well. You can charge your Hero 5 or 6 batteries in the end, and you can plug your Fusion into the traditional end there and keep your whole GoPro ecosystem charged. So yeah, folks, that is the Smatree 10,000 milliamp power bank for your GoPro. Really recommend it if you've been eyeing it up. Nice solid product from Smatree. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.